Adventure sports can be defined as outdoor sports or activities in which the participant compete within a natural environment more against herself than against others. Adventure sports are defined as activities where there is a high degree of risk to the participant. In fact, the definition of adventure sport is in its name. These are thrilling and adventurous, death-defying feats achieved with a sporting mindset. Some of these sports require more athletic ability than others, but it is a fact that all the adventure sports need a strong mental attitude. Objectives of adventure sports. There are 9 objectives of adventure sports: to develop self-confidence, to build the concentration, to have the bonding with nature, to face the challenges against the odd situation, proper use of abundant energy, to provide exhilaration, amusement and excitement, to encourage creativity, to develop mental and physical fitness, to improve social relations, to develop self-confidence. It is one of the main objectives of adventure sport. In fact, the individual who engage in adventure sport compete with themselves and therefore have a great sense of achievement when they achieve their goal. They overcome fear and experience thrill. In this way, these sports help to develop self-confidence. To build the concentration. To build the concentration is another important objective of adventurous sport. By participating in adventure sport regularly, an individual gets a series of absorbing experiences. He usually forms the habit of extended attention. In this way, he enhances his ability to concentrate. To have bonding with nature. Most of the adventure sports are outdoor activities which give participants ample opportunities to experience nature. The participants come closer to the nature. They have bonding with the nature. This bonding with nature provide exposure to natural environment. To face challenges against odd situation. Adventure sports provide ample opportunities for developing such traits so as to prepare the participants for facing challenges against all odds confidently and efficiently. These sports enhance one's capacity to deal such situations with courage and determination. Proper use of abundant energy. Adventure sports provide the participants a positive and healthy channelization of their abundant energy and enthusiasm. Indeed, it can be said that the use of abundant energy and enthusiasm in such a way is beneficial for the participants in their harmonious development. To provide exhilaration, amusement and excitement. It is also a vital objective of adventure sport to provide exhilaration, amusement and excitement, recreation and enjoyment to participants in adventure sport. To encourage creativity. To encourage creativity in participants is another important significant objective of adventure sport. These sports allow and encourage creativity in the innovation of maneuvers and in the stylish execution of existing